What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the bikes in the back. Oh man, we got a late start today, man. I was freaking whooping and working. I was working and working on this thing yesterday, guys. Super tired, wore me out, man. So today we got a late start, gonna take it easy, but we are gonna get some stuff done and get it complete, man. So we still gotta get those bags together and still get the metal piece on the bag drilled out so we'll be able to fit the front part on of it. But we'll get it going and see how it works, man. Stay tuned and let's get it in. Alrighty, y'all see the purple thing, man. Just gotta assemble these bags together and get them going. Then that will be good. So I'm gonna lay out the cover and then we'll be good to start getting them going. We got one bag done and good to go. Nice color of purple on it, John. Let's get this other one situated. Not that hard as the older style bags. That's why I like the newer style bags out. Both bags put together, looking good. That one's right there, the other one's over there. Now let's pull this thing out a little bit and get this back end situated. We got to get these chrome pieces over this right here, and then we definitely got to go get like a like a little metal drill gun or something, so we can pretty much drill this out all the way to the bottom there. No big deal. Almost done though, literally almost done. All right, so I got these off. I gotta go drill literally this hole right here where my thumb is, drill it down to the corner, or to the curve rather, so we can fit those bags on there. And then I gotta do the same thing to this wraparound because the bolts aren't wide enough. They're like literally a little bit off. So we gotta drill those and then make sure they fit. I don't wanna take 2 trips. I was gonna slide on my bike, but I'm gonna just throw him in the truck and slide to the homie house real quick because he got all the right tools, man. Let's go. Got that off. I like that black wheel, man. That thing look good without that wraparound, but gotta have that on there, man. Let's go pull up to the homies real quick. Let's pull it up to the homie crib. Got the bikes over here getting ready for AZ, man. About to get this little hole drilled out and everything because, like I said, it's not lining up on this front fender here, so we gotta get this one situated, and then we gotta drill this one down to the curve right here. So we'll get this done real quick and get back to the crib. All right, man, so we got our pieces cut down. That should give us the room we need to mount those bags. So we off back to the crib, and then we got our fender back there as well, man. So let's get to the crib and see what's up. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. All right, just made it back to the crib. About to get this wraparound on there and the bags on there before we finish up this day. So come tomorrow, we'll go straight up to BBV and get that rear fender, brake light and stuff situated, but we'll get this mounted up real quick. Alright, so even though we got the hose in there, it's not gonna work. Well, it'll work, but it's gonna be rubbing. So tomorrow I'm gonna go up to BBV. When I go up there, I'll get those risers that they got, because this thing is too on the tire. Even if we put it on right now, it's not gonna be able to freaking spin. So don't want to be dealing with that again. Just gonna do it the right way. So not even about to waste my time on that wraparound, but we will get the bags and stuff going right now so we can at least clean this stuff up and get it situated real quick. Getting somewhere, man. Wish this freaking the risers. We had the risers for that fender, but we'll get them tomorrow, man. The bags and everything is bolted up on there, ready to go. Ready to go, man. I can pull this thing out now and really see the full potential, dog. Got it pulled out a little bit. Now I'm not gonna pull it all the way out because I'm gonna go get the the fender stuff in the morning. So don't want to just keep jacking it up. I just rather leave it up here until the morning. But got the whole thing tidied up. Let's see. We got headlights and okay. We got headlights. That's a plus. Now I told y'all we don't got no rear fender action yet because the plugs are a little bit different. No big deal. Antonio took out all the gas, so we can't start it right now. But it does look really good, man. Tomorrow we should get this thing riding and shining and all the above tomorrow, man. So we'll get that going. It does look good with those bags. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. What's up, guys, man? Next morning here. We got the purple bike right here, about to take the wraparound off. We gotta go get some gas for it so we can start it back up and load it up on the truck. Once we get it loaded, we'll be taking it to BBV so they can do the rear tail light because it is not hooked up yet. Other than that, that one's pretty much done and ready to go. So let's get it. Alrighty, man, just made it back to the crib. Got the fender off. About to gas this thing up and get it loaded up. We'll start it and load it up. But let's pull it out in the sun first because this thing ain't even seen no sun since it's been done, man. So let's see how it's looking. All right, man, we got a little bit of gas in here. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Gotta let that gas get up in there. But it's going. I'm gonna pull the truck up, get this thing loaded up though. Sounding good. Let's see. Let's see. Sheesh, I had to wipe that thing down. Man, that chrome is sparkling. Sparkling, dog, man. Let's load this thing up and get it to the BBV real quick, dog. Alrighty, got this thing loaded up. About to head up to BBV, get this rear tail light taken care of. And then on the front wheel, it seems like this wheel is like a lot stiffer than the other wheel. So these rotors might have to go, and we might have to put those other rotors back on there. But we'll take that up there and see, along with get the brakes changed and stuff like that, because we got a fresh set of brake pads and stuff that we never use. So might as well use them. They're gonna take off the wheel anyway, so let's get it. Just pulled up to BBV. About to get this thing offloaded. Get it pulled in the back real quick. Y'all see how this purple is shining. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all thinking in the comments below, dog. Let's get this thing offloaded. Whew. This purple looking good under these lights, man. I'm digging it. It's like Laker purple. Here's what we gonna call it. Laker purple. I like it. We gonna get them to wire up our stuff. They said they've been closed about a week or 2 weeks now. That's crazy. I didn't even know. I'm gonna try to get something in though, hopefully. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, I finally got my cut, man. I'm back to being me, back to feeling like me. But without further ado, man, the purple bike is up at BBV. I'm about to go hop on mine right now. Get a quick little ride in, because I ain't been able to ride because I've been busy trying to grind, man. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna have to catch y'all on the next one when the purple one gets done. We'll take it for a ride before we take it to the winter, man. So I'll catch you guys then, man. Peace.